2023 was a special year for me. I traveled almost every month either for work or holiday. I was miserable at the 9 to 5 job and no longer felt it related to what I really wanted to do in my life. There was a time I thought I could literally get crazy. I signed up for a meditation retreat for 7 days, and that has helped me a lot in switching my perspective and focusing on what matters to me. It helped me realize that things change over time, and that's life. I have to accept that. And I learned to let go of my ego, my cravings for money and social recognition, which caused my sufferings. So I left that job, which I used to love, and focus on my own dream to become a full-time artist and to be able to travel around the world and learn more about the real world. I feel happy as I've got some small success in my art career. I took part in the first art battle in Bangkok, and my artwork has been selected for an art exhibition in Hanoi, Vietnam next year, where there will be a lot of artworks from 400 artists all over the world. I've done 13 commissioned artworks, and my paintings have been sent to Australia, Vietnam, and Chiang Mai, Thailand. I'm happy because what I created make people happy and they value it. I set up and launched a print-on-demand shop. If you want to check it out and support me, please find the link in the bio or in the comment section. But the best thing to me in 2023 is the support from friends, family, and all of you whom I might not have a chance to talk with or meet in person. You gave me strength to continue and a lot of encouragement to keep going and to not give up. Thank you so much for your support and for an amazing year. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I started learning Muay Thai boxing this year and I love it. Alright, thank you and see you next year. Bye!